Hi everybody, I'm finally back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I add body and volume to my silk press. And we are going to start by sectioning the hair off in 4 sections, 2 in the back and 1 on each side. In each section, I'm going to take smaller subsections and I'm going to give my client some C curls. And when you do this, whatever side you're working on, you're going to take the hair and you're going to curl it to the opposite side. And see here, we're working on the left, so we're going to curl to the right. All right, and we're going to take this right subsection and we're going to curl that one to the left. You'll notice that I'm going back and forth here just to kind of keep the curls lined up and make sure that the body is consistent throughout the hairstyle. And you see here that her hair is a little bit more thicker in the back than it is the front, so we're going to do 4 subsections on each side. Your clients that have a little bit longer hair, you might want to make sure that you get the curls in kind of tight because long hair carries weight and your curls will fall fast. So make sure you get it in there tight. I typically try to stay with 4 subsections on each side in the back most clients, but the amount of subsections that I actually do create depends on the client's density, so it could always vary. The more C curls that you put in, the more volume that you will have at the end. Again, make sure you get those curls in tight. right, and once you finish the back, it should look something similar to that. We're going to go to the front section on the right side. And as I mentioned earlier, my client's density is mostly in the back. It's a little lower in the front, so we're just going to do 2 subsections here. But still, the same thing. See curls curled in the opposite direction. So since we're on the right, we're going to curl to the left. All right, so the right section is completed. And once we get to the left side, we're just going to do the exact same thing that we did on the right side. 2 subsections curled towards the right. All right, and this is the last curl that we're gonna do. The hair should look something like this before you wrap your client and put the saran wrap on. I'm gonna put my client under the dryer for about 5 to 7 minutes, just to make sure her curls don't fall. And this is what it looks like once you start combing. So beautiful, so bouncy. My client requests this every time she comes and get her silk press service done. She does not like her wraps flat. You see that body and volume? I also prefer to wear my silk presses this way as well. All right, and voila, there we have it. So beautiful. And this is her reaction. Let me know what other styles you guys would like to see in the comments.